I ordered 2 bags of this candle sand. I actually got 1 green bag, and the green looks like this. It's kind of a slightly blue-green, spa green, and then actually black for the other. It is black. This is a large charcuterie board that I make holiday scenes in. So this is my Easter scene, and I wanted to do Garden of Gethsemane, so I got this green wax. Each bag, hiding in the bag of sand, like in the middle of the candle sand, are these wicks. So this is very similar to Fulton candle sand and wicks. So there's a bag of wicks, and I'll show you. I kind of make the sand in piles. All right, so. And what happens is you'll get little puddles of wax. If your container is really deep, then these will just self-extinguish when it gets to the end of the wick. And you just want like a little bit of wick sticking out, like a 1/2 inch or less, maybe like 1/4 inch. But I like to make little, I call it my grown-up sensory table, and we do different things for different holidays. This green sand is great for a muted kind of garden theme. Hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy. It has no scent to it. It's unscented, so you could probably scent it yourself. And you can see there's little puddles starting to form, and they harden. And then honestly, you can just re-crumble and bury those hardened puddles in your candle thing if you want. I've definitely done that. I get white candle sand to make snow Christmas scenes. It's very fun to play with, fun to decorate with, or fun to burn. And this is like, this green is like a spa blue green.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.